up next, Dr. Mike Thompson is going to be here.
He's going to share some tips on how to keep your children safe when they are online. That's a big problem for a lot of parents in America these days.
And a local...
I'd like to welcome Dr. Mike Thompson with us this morning. There is a new movie out this weekend at Open. It's called Trust, and it deals with parents dealing with their kids getting in all kinds of trouble online. Realistically, it happens all the time, doesn't it? And you deal with this. You even came up with a website to help people deal with this.
Yeah, we came up with netsafenow.com, and the reason is because parents are frustrated nowadays, and I think it's a golden opportunity, a learning opportunity for parents and their kids, because kids are smarter than us on the internet, but they're as dumb as a pet rock, too, when it comes to the internet. So I've got to be able to teach kids, and I've got to be able to teach parents about what the internet's all about.
And you do a lot of time, spend a lot of your time speaking to different groups. What are some of the things you want to get across? Because I know you have 5 different points you want to definitely make to our viewers this morning.
Well, some of the things that are really, really important is the internet is not the problem. What I try to teach people is the internet's not the problem. It's the choices you make on the internet. And unfortunately, you get a computer and you don't get instructions that go with it. So I want to teach parents and teach kids what really some of the mistakes that some of the kids make.
Because people think, first of all, they're alone when they're in the computer by themselves, but that's not true. That's one of the points I know you want to...
You're never, ever alone when you're on a computer, okay? There's always other millions of people, literally, who are watching you while you type or post or put any video or photo on there.
And people who you're talking to, they're not really who they seem to be sometimes, correct?
Well, that's the scariest thing, and the thing about the movie Trust in that, it's Halloween 24/7, 365. I mean, literally, when you're on the internet, you can be whoever you want to be. You can lie, cheat, and do a lot of different kinds of things on the internet.
What about people who use the wrong username? That can cause a lot of problems.
Well, that's the scary part. In the movie, the girl used VolleyGirl13, which obviously tells people, hey, I'm 13 years old.
Yeah.
Man, somebody can come in and step into your life.
And the big mistake a lot of people make, not just kids, is adults as well, sharing personal information.
Oh, it's huge. It's absolutely huge. I mean, when kids start sharing where they're going to school, how old they are, where they live, scary as could be.
What about cell phone pictures? So many people take pictures and automatically they're on Facebook, they're on any kinds of different accounts that they
Well, it's the scariest thing nowadays because everybody wants a cell phone. They want a camera with the cell phone. They take a photo. It's called EXIF data, and literally what it does, I take a photo of you, and right now we have a GPS coordinates that tell people where that photo was taken. And what I say is that a daughter takes a photo, and guess what? The predator knows exactly where they live. They don't need MapQuest. They can go right to your front door.
What age do you mostly target? Because when you look at kids getting in trouble with the internet, what are you mostly talking about? Teenagers?
Well, there's kids as young as 10 years of age on the internet, but the predators, the online predators, are targeting between ages of 12 and 15, right around that age. And that's where they're going after.
Young.
Well, it's young, but you know what? Facebook and MySpace and all these places, that's how people communicate nowadays.
Yeah,
and that's why I say it's not the issue. It's the choices. You either make good choice, poor choice, but it's always going to be your choice when you're on the internet. So the internet is not the problem, because a lot of people want to take it out and put it in the trunk of the car and be able to say, no. It's a golden opportunity to teach. But one of the things, the number one thing that predators hate nowadays is educated parents and educated kids. And that's my job at netsafenow.com. I'm educating kids and parents, make this a learning opportunity.
And honestly, that's what it takes. Parents, you need to be involved with your children, especially when they're online. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. And everyone, if you want more information on that, go ahead and give it to them again. Netsafenow.com.